What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day, the LG Tone Freeze. We talked about these earphones. These are the self-cleansing. They have like a UV machine built into the case for these wireless earbuds, and they're available now in the USA. I'll link them down below. You can pick them up on LG's website for at $149.99 in the color of black. And like I said, they do come with that wireless stereo earbuds with UV nano charging case and Meridian audio, so that you will destroy 99.9% of the bacteria on those by keeping these in the case. I believe it's for 15 minutes. The case also can wirelessly charge and fast charge. The headphones have ambient sound mode, which provides a safer way to enjoy your music, and their IPX4 tone-free app for EQ setting and more. Speaking of buds, what about the OnePlus buds? OnePlus buds would be their first truly wireless earbuds, and some more information leaked out about them. And as you can see from the headline, OnePlus buds will use warp charge to get 10 hours of power in 10 minutes. So all you're gonna have to do is plug them into the charger, and within 10 minutes, you'll have 10 hours of battery life. Pretty freaking amazing. These should be launched very, very soon, within the next few weeks, maybe a month at the most. And the last story of the day, Galaxy Tab S7 and Galaxy Watch S3 and Galaxy Tab S7 Plus as well, because I know you guys are gonna ask. But regardless, we've been talking about the release date, launch date of these devices, and it looks like we've got some more updated information. This comes from Sam Chun, who's gone on to say, seems like both will launch separately. According to my source, I think the Tab S7 will launch on July 22nd, while the Watch 3 could be set for July 27th. So almost the same day, at least within 5 days of each other. So if you're looking to get the Tab S7 or Tab S7 Plus, it's only, God, like a week from this point where you'll be able to order that, and then almost 2 weeks later for the Galaxy Watch 3. Right around the corner, guys, you'll be able to get new Samsung devices. And once those do come out officially, I will let you guys know. And if I hear any other information about them, I'll also let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. Question out to you guys: are you buying the Tab S7, S7 Plus, or the Galaxy Watch 3? Let me know in the comments down below. If I buy any of those, potentially I'll buy the Tab S7 Plus. I don't need it, but maybe I'll buy it. We'll see. Let me know what you guys are gonna buy. See you down the road. Peace. Oh, and I almost forgot, if you watched my video this far, check out my review of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I finally put one out 4 months later, so it's like a long-term review. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Yes, yes, yes.